Hey people, so it's been so crazy that for the past 3 4 days, I don't know how or why, I've just been this yoga session of mine has just been getting skipped. And oh my god, I mean, if you don't do yoga consecutively for a few days, you just start feeling low and depressed, I feel. Because I think when you do exercise, it gives you those feel good hormones or whatever, right? So yeah, no, see, it's 7:30 in the morning as I'm recording all this, and like by 6:15 I woke up, and then I'm getting all dressed and ready for these YouTube recordings. But then I should make sure I sit down to do these, make these short, like I should make sure to do my yoga today, because I think if you don't give that as a priority, it's easy for it to, for not, it's easy for us to skip yoga altogether. So I used to do one not 8 times, yeah, but now if I do 9 times, it's good. At least 9 times. So yeah, yesterday I stepped out for the first time after long. No, I mean I just realized that most of the time I just make all these review videos. I should also chat with you all sometimes, yeah, because life is short. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.